Good morning, my dear students of class 5. Today we are going to learn about the new topic, and that is highest common factor. Okay? So, what is highest common factor? Generally, we call the highest common factor HCF. Okay? HCF means highest common factor. H for highest, C for common, F for factor. We will learn about this topic with example, and we have the example. We have the two numbers here, 8 and 12, and we will find the highest common factor of given numbers 8 and 12. Okay? Now, first, to find highest common factor, we will find the factors of these numbers. Okay? So, first we have 8 here. So, what are the factors of 8? As you know, जिन जिन टेबल में 8 आता है, you will write those table. 1 is the factor of every number, so 1 8 जा 8, and you know 2 4 जा 8. और again, अगर आप इसका रिवर्स कर दीजिए, 4 2 जा 8 and 8 1 जा 8. So we get all the factors here, and we know the factors of 8 are 1 2 4 and 8. Okay, so factors of 8 are 1 2 4 and 8. Now we will find out the factors of given number 12. Okay, now as you know 12 के जो factor हैं, 1 is the factor of every number, then 2 6 are 12, 3 4 are 12, 4 3 are 12, and then 6 2s are 12. Okay, so 1 12s are 2 6s are 3 4s are, then reverse कर लीजिए, 4 3s are 6 2s and 12 1s are. So we have numbers here 1 2 3 4 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Now हमने find out कर लिए हैं दोनों numbers के factor. Now we will talk about the common, जो दोनों में कॉमन है. कॉमन मीन्स एक जैसे हैं. सो वी हैव कॉमन फैक्टर, एंड दीज आर 1 2 and 4. सो 1 2 and 4 इन दोनों के कॉमन फैक्टर हो गए. सो द कॉमन फैक्टर्स आर 1 2 and 4. नाउ वी हैव टू टेक आउट द हाइएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर, एंड व्हाट इज द हाइएस्ट नंबर? 4 is the highest number. So you can see that 4 is the highest number. So you can say that HCF of 8 and 12, it means highest common factor of 8 and 12 is equal to 4. So hope this is clear to you कि highest common factor क्या होता है. First you will find out the factors of given number, and then you will take out the common factor, और उन common factor में जो सबसे बड़ा number होगा, the highest factor, that will be the highest common factor. Now we will understand this with some more examples, and now we will take another method. Now we will find HCF of two numbers with prime factor method. Okay, prime factorization हमने learn किया था with two method, factor tree method and the division method. So here we will find out the HCF of, it means highest common factor of, with prime factorization method, prime factor method, and we will use here upside division method. यानी जो हम लोग डिवीज़न मेथड यूज़ करते थे, एज एक लाइन खींच के फिर डिवाइड करते थे. सो वी विल ड्रॉ टू लाइन्स हियर, एंड एज यू नो 24 इज एन इवन नंबर, सो इट इज़ डिविजिबल बाय 2. सो फर्स्ट वी विल डिवाइड द 24 by 2. So we will get 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4 by 12. We get 12 here. 2 12s are 24. Okay. Now again you know 12 is even number and it is divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12. Now again 6 is the multiple of 2. So again हम 2 को divide करेंगे. 2 3s are 6. Now we get prime number here. So we get 3 is prime. 3 1s are 3 you can write, or you can leave it like this. So we have the factors of 24 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay. So अगर आप इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे you will get 24 here. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8 and 8 3 जा 24. Now we will take out, now we will do the prime factorization of number 36. Again you will draw two lines like this. जैसे आपने 24 में किया था exactly, हम ऐसे ही 36 के साथ करेंगे. Now we will divide 36 as an even number. We will divide it by 2. So we get 18 here. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Now 2 9s are 18. Now 9 is multiple of 3 and 3 is a prime number. 2 से ये divisible नहीं होगा because 9 is an odd number. So 3 3s are 9 and लास्ट में आपको 2 3 मिल जाएंगे एंड 3 आर प्राइम नंबर्स. ओके, सो वी गेट द प्राइम फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36 एंड दैट आर 36 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, so we have the prime factors of 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now we have to take out the highest common factor of 24 and 36. तो HCF will be, दोनों में क्या कॉमन है देखो, 2 2 2 2 and 1 3 and 1 3. Okay, so we will take out only the common factors. So 2, again one more 2 है is common there, 2 into 2 and 1 3 is common there. So 2 into 2 into 3, ये तीनों कॉमन आपके नंबर्स आ गए. सो HCF इज इक्वल टू 2 into 2 into 3 एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So HCF of these two number 24 and 36 is equal to 12. Okay, 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 and that is equal to 2 4s are 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Now we find out the HCF for 24 and 36 and that is equal to 12. Now we will find another HCF for these two numbers and that are 42 and 56. Okay, so 42 and 56 का HCF हमें find out करना है. For this again we will take out the prime factors of 42 and 42 is an even number, it is divisible by 2, 2 से divide करेंगे, so answer will be 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2, 21 times. Now as you know 21 किसके टेबल में आता है, 21 is divisible by 3, 3 is a prime number, तो आप 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. प्राइम फैक्टर्स का मतलब क्या है कि आप प्राइम नंबर से ही डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 3 7s are 21 and 7 is a prime number, so we will stop here. We get a prime number, so the prime factorization of 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Okay, we get all three prime number here, so 2 into 3 into 7. Now we will take out the 56. For 56, 56 is also an even number. So again हम इसके prime factors find out करेंगे. To take out the prime factors, again same division method, lines draw करेंगे. Now 2 से divide करेंगे, 56 is an even number, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. आप साइड पे भी रफली डिवाइड करके चेक कर सकते हैं, you will get 28. Now again 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 18. 14 फिर 2 के टेबल में आता है, 2 7s are 14 and 7 is a prime number, so we stop here. So we get 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now we have to take out the common factors here. Okay, prime numbers, prime factors you get here already. Now HCF में हमें common निकालना है. वो दोनों में common क्या है, 1 2 is common there and 1 7 is also common here. So 2 into 7. Okay, so 2 into 7 is common. So HCF of given number 42 and 56 is equal to 2 7s are 14. So we get here that HCF of 42 and 56 is equal to 40. 24 and 36 का हमारे पास हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर आया 12 एंड 42 एंड 56 का हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर आया है 14. आई एम गिविंग यू सम मोर सम्स इन योर प्रैक्टिस वर्क सो दैट यू कैन प्रैक्टिस एंड अंडरस्टैंड दिस method very well. Okay, so do your homework. Thank you so much class.